Welcome to this FX Empire review of Moneta Markets, a broker that was founded in 2020 and is a trademark of Vantage International Group Limited, which is authorized and regulated by the Cayman Islands Monetary Authority, as we can actually see here on the CIMA register, Vantage International Group Limited. And as you can see here on the broker's homepage, they offer the ability to trade on more than 300 CFDs covering Forex, Indices, Commodities, Cryptos and Shares, with access up to 500 to 1 leverage with $200 minimum deposits. And if we scroll down, we can actually see here they provide some information regarding their exclusive Moneta Markets Web Trader platform, which we'll be looking at a little bit later on, as well as their mobile trader app for iOS and Android systems, which we'll also be looking at later on as well. So scroll down, they provide some information about the markets that are available to trade with the broker. And as we scroll down, we can also see a little bit more information regarding the trading platform, such as the mobile trading app that is offered, as well as the trading tools that are offered as well, which includes news articles, a Moneta TV channel, as well as market sentiment indicators, as we can see here for Forex, Indices, Commodities, Cryptos and Share CFDs. As we scroll down, we can see that opening a trading account can be done in 3 simple steps, and they have the custodian bank of the National Australia Bank to hold segregated client funds. The Moneta trading platform is actually feature rich and quite simple to use, as we'll run through in a moment. There's an all-in-one platform as well, which has access to technical indicators, chart types, as well as an inbuilt client portal for account opening and deposits and withdrawals. And you can see here a few different pictures regarding the different features available within the trading platform, which we're going to be running through as we go through this video review. The broker also provides clients with access to a wide variety of different trading tools, which include economic calendar, Forex sentiment tools, platform videos, web TV, Moneta TV, daily technical analysis reports, trading tools, calculators, and social trading features, as well as the deposit bonuses as well. And as we scroll down here, we can see some of the different trading tools such as Market Buzz, Featured Ideas, Economic Calendar, and many others. With Moneta Markets, users can access customer service 24 hours a day, 5 days a week via email, telephone, and a live chat feature. So after testing the live chat feature, we were actually greeted by an agent within a few seconds actually, who had provided us the details we need to open up a demo trading account in answer to our questions. So nice, quick and responsive there. And so here we have the all-in-one Moneta Markets Web Trader platform. As we can see here on the left-hand side, access to a wide variety of different markets, so wide variety of different foreign exchange markets, including majors, minors, and quite a few different exotic currencies there as well. Users can also access cryptocurrencies, as we can see here, commodity markets, including metals, energies, and some agriculture products here at the bottom. Users can also access different share CFDs, so a wide variety of different shares available to trade on, and indices as well, and all the global indices, the China A50, the DAX 30, the Dow Jones 30, and many others. So users can also go to and create their own favorites list as well. So by clicking on one of these currencies, so for example, if we go right to the bottom, look at the majors, and we click on euro, dollar, for example, this opens up a trading ticket, and we can actually see there the sell price and the buy price, so just a couple of pips spread there really. And we've got a nice clean featured chart here in the middle, and we can actually see we can optimize this chart. We've got candles, Heikin-Ashi, bar charts, line charts, mounting, dots. Users can change different time frames. Right now on the minute chart, users can trade 15-minute charts, hourly charts as well. So useful functionality there. On the left-hand side, users can access different tools, such as ray tools, horizontal tools, all the popular drawing tools there. And if we scroll further down, users can actually access Fibonacci retracement tools and levels, as well as other features. And if we scroll here, we can actually see you can take a screenshot. You can also go to full screen as well to view the chart in full screen mode as well, which can be quite useful. And there's also a wide variety of different indicators that are available to plot onto the chart as well. So, all the most popular indicators there to use. And if we minimize this chart here, there are some other options we can see on the right hand side. We've got access to a trading ticket, And we can actually see here we've got one lot value here, and it tells us the pip value and the margin required, which is also very useful. Users can actually select their trade direction, sell or buy, and then you can select stop losses and take profits as well, or you can open a trade when a rate reaches a certain level as a pending trade. In this instance, if we just click trade here, for example, that order is now processing, and we can see that trade has been opened at the bottom here. You can also see where the entry level is here on the chart as well, which is always useful. And users have some options at the bottom. They can choose to put a stop loss in and a take profit, or simply choose to close the trade here and do a partial close as well if the unit or the volume was higher. And in this instance, we're just going to close this, and that order has now been successful, and that will be sitting in the history book. And there's different functionality here at the top as well to access transaction history, withdrawals, deposits, manage different accounts, different trading tools, refer a friend, promotional offers as well. If you click on the refer a friend link, this actually opens up to a new window where you can actually share your referral link and earn a $250 bonus. So as it says here, to actually start referring and earning, all you need to do is just share your unique link with your friends. When they use your link to open and fund a live account, $500 or more, you'll receive a $250 trading bonus, and that bonus will actually appear in your account as soon as your referral makes a deposit. And then you can actually see your total earnings here. So once your friends makes a deposit, you will see your earnings here at the bottom right. So, really great tools there. From here as well, you can also select the trading tools, and you can actually launch all the different trading tools they have available. So if we clicked on here, for example, launch Market Buzz, this basically opens up to a new web page, and you can see you've got an overview on different products here. So if we click on, say, Apple, for example, and this will open up and it will talk about the news volume here, the split. It represents the distribution of articles coming from different platforms. Orientation, you've got a news feed here on the right hand side as well from all the different outlets such as Twitter there. Most discussed topics here on the bottom left as well. You've got sentiment tools here as well. So you've got a score here, confidence index, and this graph here to represent sentiment. So really useful tools there. And if you go back, you can have a look at currencies as well, so you can see what's going on with different currencies. And you can change the viewpoint here as well. You've got a simple table format as well. You've got a news desk right at the top, so all the latest news. So lots of different functionality here as well. You can open up your own watch list and so on, and access different asset classes here, commodities, indices, stocks, and many other markets. If we scroll down from the Trading Central terminal here in Moneta Markets trading platform, also has access featured ideas, which provides live technical and fundamental trade setups on foreign exchange pairs. So if we click on this one here, so this basically opens up to a new window, and you can actually see featured ideas here on bullish trading ideas, bearish trading ideas. You can see the different events here as well and what was found. So right now it's found a pattern called an engulfing line, for example, and you can change the format here as well to just see the full chart as well. So quite useful for many traders, and you can change different markets here at the top and customize your settings at the top right. So back to the Trading Central terminal here in the Moneta Markets trading platform, users can also access an economic calendar. They can view the macroeconomic events covering 38 different countries, as well as access Market Masters, which are 50 foreign exchange trading video tutorials. So feature-rich trading platform, very simple to use as well. Now let's have a look at the Moneta Markets mobile trading app. So here we have the Moneta Markets mobile trading app for Android and iOS. And as we can see here, we've got an instruments page which has access to all the different instruments. Right now on the foreign exchange page, and you can actually see a wide access to a lot of different currencies, majors, minors, and exotics as we scroll down. Users also have access to trade cryptocurrency CFDs through the mobile trading app, as well as commodity CFDs, as we can see here. And if we scroll further, different stocks and shares CFDs as well as index CFDs. And if we go back to a market such as, let's go for Aussie Yen, for example, if we click on this, this basically opens up a chart, and you can click the I button for a bit more information. and that will then pop up with this information here, such as the required margin, swap and long values, and trading hours of the instrument. And if we actually go back, then we can actually go to a visual chart where we'll be able to see the different chart constructs. So for example, we've got candles, we've got mountain, we've got line, and we also have different access to different time frames as well. And if we go further back, and we can see the buy and sell quotes for all the different instruments. And to place a trade is pretty simple as well. Users can simply click the buy button and choose their volume, however high or low they want it to be. And then users can also, so if we go down to the lowest, let's say for example here, we can just type that in, say 0.1 for example, and that will give you the required margin. And you can also add in stop loss, take profit, pending order functionality. If we click on buy here, that order then is processing, and that has been successful. If we go to continue trading, then we're able to see that live trade here in our open trades window. And if we click on this here, we've got more functionality to modify the trade, but we can also close the trade here as well. So very simple to use here in this mobile trading app. Users can also look at any pending orders if they have any. Also do deposits and withdrawals through the wallet here, and access their recent trading activity and different account details here as well. Okay, so very simple to use and feature rich. And that really wraps up this FX Empire review of Moneta Markets. We hope you found it to be of value and wish you all the best in your trading.